First, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, so intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Say, example here, draw diagram, ABC diagram. So here, one side of the triangle. See, this is one base only. This side here, one side of the triangle, I am drawing one line. Okay, so next one, here construction, see, observe here, required to prove what AD by DB equal to AE by EC, means AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, so here AD by DB, this triangle take once, one side triangle take first. Okay na? So this is what ABC, this is base, this is what height only. So area of triangle formula half into base into height. Now here say area of triangle ADE, this triangle say ADE, this is perpendicular line, yes or no? So this perpendicular means this perpendicular means this is base only. So this perpendicular means this is what? Base. AD is base, this is what? Height only. So area of triangle AD equal to half into base what? AD, height EN. Okay na? Next one, this triangle only, this base only, just this is height. So next one, take this value parallel to EN only, this. So this is height here, this is base. So now area of triangle ABC, BDE here of BDE. This is base, this is base, this is height. So BD is the base and height is EN. So this parallel only, this parallel lines. So take this value DC equal to EN. So that is value here substitute. So EN cancel, AD by DB is coming. Left side. Now right side same thing. ADE triangle, this is base, this is height. Half into base what? Base AE into height DM by this is DEC, this triangle, this is base only, parallel to this line only. So this is parallels only. So half into base what here? Base, this is base, this is height BE, parallel to this one only. So DM right. So that value is right here. Cancel DM of AE by EC. Equation 1 and equation 2. We can observe that BD and CD are same base BC and between the parallel lines DE and EC. So these two are equal. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Next one what? Conversion. AD by DB equal to AE by EC by adding both side 1. So AD by DB, both side adding 1 plus 1. So plus 1 means DB1 the DB, AD plus DB by DB. Here plus 1 AE plus EC by EC. AD by DB. AD by DB equal to what? AB. And AE plus EC equal to what? AC. This is right. Okay. So this is basic proportionality theory. Next conversion one. Here some example given questions.